Hey everybody, thank you for coming to Goodbye Gluten. This week we are in sunny Bend, Oregon, and we got two great places for you to try. One is El Sancho's, Mexican food for lunch, and for dinner we are heading to the Millworks Pub, which happens to be in the Old Mill District, a great place to visit. Saying goodbye to gluten does not mean saying goodbye to great food and great taste.
So please like this video, share it with friends, and subscribe to our channel.
So you find yourself on the west side of Bend, Oregon. You're looking for the real deal taco joints. So one place you need to definitely check out is right here, which is El Sancho's Taco Shop. And it is a must stop. So let's go in and get some grub. Okay, so let's say you don't have time to go all the way to the west side for it. El Sancho has you covered. They have one on the east side. They have one on Division Avenue. Heck, they even got a taco cart for your private needs and all the catering you're ever going to need. And they also have a secret area. Now let's talk about their menu. They got tons of tacos. They got tons of extras from tamales to fried shrimp, all the way to tortilla soup. Oh my God, they got so much stuff. It is amazing. And let's talk about their drinks. They got soft drinks. They got cervezas. They got great house wines. They got tons of different type of tequilas that you can order. And they also got great margaritas and signature cocktails like one of my favorites, pina coladas. So today I got myself 3 tacos to try out. I got myself 3 little tacos to try out. Carnitas, which is like shredded pork or chopped pork. I got shredded beef. And then I got one they have on sale or special, which was a pork belly. Sort of like bacon. And also an awesome pina colada. Ooh, that's really good. Kind of wonder what the leaf is though, but it's okay. And also this place is really neat. They got outdoor seating, they got indoor seating, and you got, it's really good vibe, brings me back to, Arizona and New Mexico. So squirt a little lime, so I'd squirt in my face. And also has some very awesome, lively music. That was really good. That was my steak. So this one is, I think, my chorizo, or not chorizo, carnitas. That's really, really good. I mean, we're definitely going quality over quantity, which to me is not a problem. Because as you can tell, I could probably use a little slim down a bit. Now this is the pork belly one. Really interested to try. Oh, that's hot. I mean, look at that. It's just, oh, it smells beautiful. I was not expecting that sweet flavor coming out. It's kind of like a barbecue sauce kind of flavor. It's got that spicy hint. It's got that definite beautiful red color, the bacon, well, pork belly. I mean, these are amazing tacos. I think they're looking good. I will tell you though, if you're coming here for dinner or lunch, especially for dinner, come a little bit early because they get a line pretty fast. And that just means how popular they are here in Bend, Oregon. I have the description or in the link to their website in the description below. And tell you the truth, if you're coming to Bend, Oregon, this is a must-stop place to come to because this place is just heavenly, awesome. The staff are great. The food is amazing. Music is completely awesome. Okay, so it's right on Century Drive. I mean, it's just right up the road from Drake Park. So if you and your family are at Drake Park having a good day and you want something to eat, it's not even 2 blocks from there. Well, actually about 2.5 blocks. Pretty easy to find, pretty easy to order, pretty easy to eat. So come check out El Sancho's. So when dinner time came around, me and my wife decided we were going to go to the Millworks pub in the old Mill District because we heard that it had dedicated fryers, the food was amazing, the reviews were great, and we decided, you know what? It's only a 10-minute walk from our hotel room. So it was a pretty shoe-in place to, let's go get some grub. Now, this isn't just a great place to grab some grub, but they also have a full-service bar and some great local beers on tap and a lot of great spirits for you to give a try, not to mention their awesome cocktails. The staff is amazing, really friendly, really good at their jobs, and you can literally see them cooking your food right there because it's an open kitchen and it's great for you to just get a great vibe of an awesome. Even though this place is a modern place with modern TVs and rock and roll on the speakers, they're keeping the homage to the old Mill District of Bend, Oregon. Hey everybody, today we are here in the old Mill District in Bend, Oregon, just right behind our hotel we're staying at. We decided to wanted some, good pub food, right? So we looked online and we found this place that had dedicated gluten-free fryers. We got a lot of great gluten-free options. This is called Millworks Pub. It sounds like a great place to go, so let's go get some food.
We're starting off with some nachos. There are some pretty big chunks of chicken in here. See that? There's also salsa and guacamole on the side. Pinto beans, looks like some cheese and onion. Looks yummy. Dig one out of the meat.
Gotta have that guac. Good?
That's good. Your homemade, house-made chips, it's all gluten-free.
Oh yeah. You already look at that chicken, it's nice and fresh. Oh my god, that's juicy. Felt like you're run-of-the-mill nachos at all. I mean, this is fresh, great food, a lot of cilantro, beans, cheese, they got salsas, guacamole.
So we ordered a gluten-free burger. Well, a burger on a gluten-free bun with fries to share. It comes with a chipotle aioli and a bacon jam, and then ketchup on the side. So Greg and I are going to share this.
Show that burger. Oh, that looks really, really good.
That is very good.
Smells
It's
amazing.
a nice fluffy bun. Look at that.
Not
Good
at all
flavor.
stiff.
Very good. Very good.
See, one thing I wanted to try really bad is their bacon jam. Smells like bacon. It's sweet. Tastes like bacon, but sweet, like if you did a honey bacon. So now I'm gonna try the burger. Oh yeah, it's a double burger. Lettuce, onion. definitely a great burger. Meat's juicy, tender. The bun is extremely soft. I wouldn't be able to say, I wouldn't be able to tell if it was a gluten-free bun or not, except that we ordered gluten-free. Definitely this place is a must stop, and we are directly right below the Hilton Garden Inn. So if you're staying there, this is a great place to come and grab some chow. Okay, so you guys gotta have to come to the Millworks Pub. The meal we had was really good, and I hope you guys will check this place out when you're in Bend, Oregon. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video review of the place, and check out more of the reviews if you're coming to Bend, Oregon, because we got a list of them. And I hope you guys will enjoy it. We have the website in the description below, so please check it out. You guys have a great day.